Hello, everyone. Welcome to Crazy Dashcam. Today, we're compiling videos of traffic accidents. Traffic accidents often occur due to careless driving, speeding, or failure to follow traffic rules. These incidents can lead to serious injuries, significant property damage, and even loss of life. Preventing such accidents requires strict adherence to traffic laws, heightened awareness, and responsible driving to ensure the safety of everyone on the road.
What the hell? Do they think this is their racetrack? This action deserves condemnation.
Do they think this is their racetrack? This action deserves condemnation. Looks like this guy took a wrong turn. Ha ha ha.
I don't know where he crashed the car and the driver's seat window was broken. I don't know where he crashed the car and the driver's seat window was broken. Tying things unsafely, and this is the result. Fortunately, the driver noticed in time. They stopped the vehicle and moved the wooden planks to the side of the road to avoid obstructing traffic. A short-circuited power line fell onto the vehicle in front. A driver failed to secure the load on their car's roof properly, leading to a dangerous situation when the items tumbled onto the road. The video captured the moment when a black car lost control and collided with the side of a vehicle traveling in the same direction. Changing lanes without carefully checking is very dangerous.
Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you. Join our community, and let's explore more new things together.
A white car traveling in the opposite direction changed lanes at high speed and lost control, causing a collision with an oncoming vehicle. Fortunately, it was a minor impact, and no one was injured. The white car, due to not paying attention ahead and failing to control its speed, collided foolishly with the vehicle in front. In your opinion, which vehicle was in the right and which was in the wrong in the situation above? He drove through the intersection at high speed, which was really dangerous. He foolishly tried to run a red light, and if there had been a vehicle coming from the other direction, it could have resulted in a serious accident.
What are you doing? Jesus Christ!
Fucking dick.
The black pickup truck was driving the wrong way, which is very dangerous when there are vehicles traveling in the correct direction at high speeds. The driver was going too fast and collided with another vehicle. Fortunately, no one was injured in the accident. Is he trying to play with fire or something? A stunning performance. On a slippery road, the black car lost control. Perhaps this is their goodnight kiss before going to sleep. Enter the lane in a stupid way. Wow, maybe he was just performing? The white car, traveling at high speed, lost control and skidded into the median. The car in front with the rear wheels. The two motorcycles will likely be questioned by the police. A metal sheet fell off the trailer of the vehicle in front. It seems that the driver of the white car might have been drinking. The delivery guy changed lanes without carefully checking, but fortunately, the car driver was able to react in time. There could have been a tragic outcome for those who don't follow traffic laws. A car ran through an intersection without carefully checking and caused a traffic collision. An SUV made a reckless overtake on the highway, nearly causing a serious incident.
A truck attempted to cross the road without reducing its speed, leading to a dangerous situation. The driver's reckless decision resulted in a collision with two other vehicles. The impact was severe, causing significant damage to all the involved vehicles. Fortunately, no serious injuries were reported, but the accident could have been easily avoided.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.